I wrote Master the Future to empower people, to give them the tools to be powerful during this time of radical change. This book does not offer career tips, and really it's more than a book, it's a system to unlock the skills you need to adapt and prevail, one based on proven science and praised by experts in human performance. And now that system is available as a book. In times like these, there will always be winners as well as losers. Those who can marshal their creativity and intuition and mental toughness when it is needed most. Master the Future unlocks those skills, not one day, not someday, but in 30 days. Here is how it works. It tackles your sense of resignation and hopelessness, so you can feel powerful and able to take on anything. It reconnects you to your natural power and intelligence, developed over 700,000 years of human evolution, unlocking your innate intuition and mental toughness. It teaches you how to filter out the noise and distraction standing between you and the future you want, so you can recognize opportunity and are ready to react. And it trains you to become a clutch performer, someone who thrives under pressure, using the same leading-edge neuroscience used to train elite athletes and top professionals. And it's accompanied by a structured 30-day plan to help you produce those results in every part of your life. This book isn't theory, it's working for people right now, and it can work for you. Here's what experts are saying about the book. They're calling this book essential reading. A clear-eyed, no-panic guide to owning your future, and a masterful program to enhance resilience, problem-solving, and effectiveness. Here's what readers are saying. Small, achievable steps to life-changing results. It helped me get unstuck. It's about overcoming resignation, not just AI. See for yourself. It's available on Amazon, and the first few chapters are free. AI-proof your career and your future. Unleash the you AI can't replace.